Hello, it's Maureen Zamagacheni Ndlovu. I'm back again this week. Yes, things are tense and we're staying hopeful. Today we're reviewing the third chapter that says she ignores deadlines and due dates. I'll just quote a few things, then we discuss from there. She murdered 2 children over the years of having to deal with the invisible illness called depression. There was no formula or instruction of how she was supposed to deal with her household or businesses. She was always confused why life never treated her well and kindness. Then it dawned to her that she was just a single mother who went through the most in this life and who was once disowned by her whole family. As a single mother, she knew that nothing was going to come easy for her. She had to try 10 times more than others. She had no mother who was going to offer herself to raise her kids with. She didn't have something to fall back on. She was literally on her own. She got that in her skull way long ago. And she was not going to feel sorry for herself. Then she slowly taken on the fights she was given. What haunted her the most was her mental state. She did what she could to raise her own kids with the truth and dignity, irrespective that she was dealing with her mental state. Although she was a little bit strict, but it worked. She owed to them to stay hopeful just for her children. I'll tell you what, when things were all dark and doomed, I would just lock myself in that corner and the thoughts that were rushing in my mind, they didn't help me. Some darkness things that came through. After a while of this journey, they're painful and they're scary. But my sister, Makhumalo, Zolani, I'm just naming a few, Balisa, and they kept on holding on with me. Then when the feeling of taking it out there started, few people reached out. About Tuli, my twin. Then I realized that, you know what, I'm dealing with something that I cannot conquer and I cannot survive it on my own. They stretched their hands. And my friendship was there too. And my editor came through. You know, when people talk things not knowing which stage you're at. Some of these people don't even know me personally, but they were reaching out. That saved me. Thank you so much, and I'm sorry I'm not trying to depress you. I'm trying that you come with me in this journey so that we can help one another. Please subscribe on my channel, YouTube channel. It's called Maureen Ndlovu, where we can have a conversation I'll give you access to my personal life. You can contact me anytime you feel like there is no tomorrow. Yes, I'm not fully healed too, but at least I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I wish and pray that you also see it. No one to blame or to be blamed for the state of mind. What you suffer, others they don't know where you're coming from. It becomes too much. We all need healing. We all need healing. I'm stressing on that especially this year, we all need healing. I'm at that journey. Come with me. Thank you so much for having me. Till next time in my 4th chapter.